Hi friends, we are going to be talking about Zimislecel for type 1 diabetes. So what is it? Zimislecel is formerly called as VX80 when it was an investigational allogeneic stem cell derived islet cell therapy. So islets or Langerhans are the pancreas. It's designed to restore insulin production by transplanting functional pancreatic islet cells into the body with standard immunosuppression via infusion into the portal vein, liver portal vein. In early phase 1, phase 2 trials with 12 patients, outcome included successful engraftment and glucose responsive insulin production by day 90. All achieved ADA recommended targets. HbA1c was less than 7% and the time in range was more than 70% with no severe hypoglycemic events afterwards. One patient became fully insulin independent. That is the fantastic thing. So current clinical status and availability, it's in phase 3 pivotal trial and is active and enrolling, aiming to complete dosing by mid of 2025. That's around this time. Should be over and out. And 50 participants across US, Europe, Canada, UK, Europe are participating in it. Their regulatory milestones are FDA and fast track designations. EMA Prime designation, UK MARA Innovation Passport. Availability, it's not commercially available still in clinical trials, available only to enrolled participants in phase 3 clinical trials across the countries which I told you. General approval and launch are anticipated in 2026-27 with a projected eligible patient pool of 60,000 in type 1 diabetes. So cost estimates offering official pricing for Zimislecel isn't available still, experimental for context. Stem cell therapies in general, example in the global clinics, range from about $3,500 to $65,000, averaging to about $17,000. In the US, estimated costs are about $99,000 per dose. That's staggering. Upon approval, actual cost in the US and European Union could be comparable or higher given manufacturing. Immunosuppression and follow-up care is very important. To summarize, this therapy is allogeneic and it's stem cell derived islet cell infusion. It's in trial phase 3, enrolling in all the other developed world which I told you, and the approvals are pending in FDA. Submission is expected at 2026. Availability experimental only through trial. Estimated cost is yet to be known. What can we do next? Interested in trial participation? Visit the clinicaltrials.gov or discuss with your endocrinologist about your eligibility. Watch for approvals in 2026 when more details on cost, availability and insurance coverage will emerge. Explore alternative therapies such as Zimislecel, that's in the name of Landitra, the first FDA approved cell therapy for type 1 diabetes, though for deceased donors are still limited in supply. Let me know if you'd like helping in the clinical trials and joining in the approval. Thank you.